Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make rolls cake. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a 10x 15-inch sheet pan with parchment. Whisk eggs and sugar until thick and pale, then gently fold in sifted flour for an airy sponge. Bake briefly until springy, flip onto a towel dusted with sugar, and roll while warm to set the shape before filling and chilling to finish. Choose a filling that complements the sponge without overpowering it. Lighter fillings help maintain the roll shape. Prepare whipped cream with a bit of cream cheese or gelatin if you need transport stability, or use pastry cream for a richer bite. Spread a thin, even layer of filling and leave a small border to prevent overflow. Roll gently, chill to set, then dust or glaze for a polished finish before slicing. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more baking content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for storing sliced rolls cake, preventing spills and keeping layers neat when you bring desserts to gatherings. They snap shut tightly and stack nicely in the fridge, which makes transport simple and stress-free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Prevent cracks by handling the warm sponge carefully and rolling it around parchment first to train the shape. Avoid overbaking, which dries the sponge, and underbaking, which makes it unstable. Keep fillings at moderate consistency. Too thin will seep, too thick will resist rolling. Chill the roll after assembling so the filling firms, making cleaner slices and a neater presentation when you serve or package the cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.